State College is about to get a little sweeter with the grand opening of a new store, Campus Candy, located at 346 College Avenue. The 797 Lounge, along with 5 other sports bars here in downtown State College, are in danger of losing their liquor licenses due to citations and disturbances. These bars are running under temporary liquor licenses until further legal proceedings. Rap icon Lil Wayne is set to hit the Bryce Jordan stage with musical guests Nicki Minaj, Travis Barker, and Rick Ross to a sold-out crowd of over 6,000 students here at Penn State University. The tickets sold out in a matter of minutes. Under Governor Tom Corbett's proposal, the College of Agricultural Sciences here at Penn State University could see a cut of at least $26 million in state appropriations. It's a gorgeous day in State College, and as you can see, Penn State students as well as family members are lined up to take a picture with the famous Penn State Lion Shrine. There has been several cutbacks within the Postal Service. An $8.5 billion loss had occurred just last year, despite deep cuts of more than 100,000 jobs. These little envelopes you see here are no stranger to people who have cars here at Penn State University. They contain parking tickets that, if not paid, could cause a huge burden.